If you've ever felt exhausted from applying to jobs that never reply, you're not alone. Here's how to stay motivated and keep your confidence strong during your job search. The glow of the screen illuminates your face in the quiet room. It is late, or perhaps it is early. The hours have started to blur together. You have opened your email for the 10th time today. A small, hopeful ritual that has begun to feel more like a compulsion. There it is again. The familiar emptiness of an inbox that holds no good news or promising next step. No reply at all. Your eyes feel heavy, not just from the screen's light, but from the immense weight of the effort you are pouring into this search. This moment of fatigue, this feeling of being utterly alone in your striving, is one of the most universal yet unspoken parts of the professional journey. Job searching isn't just about skills. It's about resilience. The first and most powerful step is to reframe how you see rejection and silence. In most areas of life, no response signals a problem. In job applications, silence is often the default. Hundreds, sometimes thousands, automated systems filter resumes by keywords. Overwhelmed hiring managers see only a fraction of applicants. You send a careful resume and cover letter into the digital ether and hear nothing back. It's rarely a personal judgment on your worth. It's a systemic reality. Understanding that can be liberating. It lets you decouple your self-worth from any single outcome. Don't see it as personal rejection. See it as a numbers game beyond your control. When the external world feels unpredictable, creating a predictable internal world can be a powerful source of stability and control. A daily routine is not about imposing a rigid, joyless structure on your life. It is about creating a reliable framework that conserves your mental energy and protects your well-being. The unstructured nature of a job search can quickly lead to burnout, with days lost to aimless scrolling or consumed by frantic, all-day application blitzes. A simple, balanced routine provides an anchor, preventing you from drifting into anxiety or exhaustion. Your routine does not need to be complicated. Simpler is often better. Create distinct blocks of time for different activities, signaling to your brain when it's time to work and when it's time to rest. For example, dedicate a 2-hour morning window to searching for openings, tailoring your resume, writing cover letters. The journey to a new job is a marathon, not a sprint, and the finish line can often feel impossibly far away. Waiting for the big win of a job offer can be demoralizing. These milestones are infrequent and outside your control. Shift your focus to tracking small, controllable wins. A small win is any positive step you take, no matter how minor. It is an action that moves you forward. It is an effort you made. It is a piece of progress you achieved. Celebrating small victories builds momentum. Update a single section of your resume. Send 5 targeted applications. Reach out to a former colleague for a networking chat. Receive a polite "no, thank you" email. Close your counts. Make tracking visible. Write your wins down. Each evening, write one small thing you accomplished. Watch it fill. Feel the momentum. During a prolonged job search, it is easy to fall into a mindset of passive waiting, where your sense of progress is entirely dependent on external validation from recruiters and hiring managers. A powerful way to reclaim your agency and boost your motivation is to intentionally shift your focus from getting a job to growing as a professional. This transforms downtime and waiting from empty anxiety into opportunities for learning and development. By dedicating a small part of each day to acquiring new skills, you become a more knowledgeable and capable candidate. This does not mean you need to enroll in a lengthy, expensive certification program. The most sustainable approach is to focus on micro-learning, small, consistent, daily acts of growth. Choose one small thing to learn each day. Reading an insightful article about trends in your industry. Watching a 15-minute tutorial on a software program relevant to your field. Listening to a podcast episode featuring an expert you admire. These small, daily investments in your knowledge compound over time, building both your skills and your confidence. The job search can be an isolating experience, but you do not have to go through it alone. The people you surround yourself with can profoundly impact your mindset and resilience. Actively curating a positive and supportive community is not a luxury. It's a critical part of a successful job search. Seek out people who lift you up, who offer constructive feedback, who understand the challenges you face, and create distance from those who drain your energy. Find your people. A small group of peers on the job market, a local professional networking group, an online community in your industry. Schedule regular check-ins, even a brief weekly call. Share progress, exchange leads. Celebrate small wins together. Someone saying, "I understand. That happened to me last week," can change everything. It's okay to set gentle boundaries. Try, "I appreciate you asking. I'll share exciting news when I have it, but for now, I'd rather talk about something else." Use social media for learning and connection, not comparison. Surround yourself with people who support and energize you. Choose them wisely. You sit at your desk. The screen is still there. Your email is still open. But something inside you feels different. A quiet shift from anxious waiting to calm, steady action. It becomes a road you are actively paving, one small, deliberate step at a time. You can't control who replies, but you can control how you show up every day. Every no is leading you closer to your yes. Keep going. Your opportunity is waiting for your persistence. Show up for your routine. Show up for your learning. Show up for yourself.